Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into PennyMac mortgage account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.pennymac.com. After you come across this official page, click on the login option in the top section of your screen. Then click on My Account option. Here you'll have to enter your username associated with your account and your valid password. If you do not remember your username or password, then you can click on Forgot Username and Forgot Password links respectively. If you want your device to remember your login details, then check the box that says Remember Device. And if you don't want it, then uncheck the box. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Register Here link. After entering your details, click on the Login button to proceed. And that is how you can sign into PennyMac mortgage account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.